Quality is a foundational element of supply chain and operations management because it directly influences customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, and organizational competitiveness. The ASCM framework defines quality as conformance to requirements and fitness for use, emphasizing that products and services must consistently meet customer expectations. Total Quality Management (TQM) extends this concept by creating an organization-wide commitment to continuous quality improvement through the participation of all employees. TQM focuses on customer satisfaction, process excellence, and cultural alignment toward quality objectives. Rather than treating quality as an inspection activity performed after production, TQM integrates quality into every process, decision, and activity throughout the organization. The core concepts of TQM center on customer focus, management commitment, employee involvement, continuous improvement, performance measurement, and supplier partnerships. Organizations pursuing TQM seek long-term success by consistently meeting or exceeding customer expectations while reducing process variation. Quality is viewed not only as a product characteristic, but also as a reflection of process effectiveness and organizational culture. Customer requirements continuously evolve, requiring organizations to adapt products, services, and processes accordingly. TQM emphasizes prevention rather than correction and encourages employees at all levels to participate in identifying opportunities for improvement. By embedding quality into daily operations, organizations create sustainable competitive advantages and improve both customer loyalty and operational performance. A central framework for quality management is Huron's trilogy, which consists of quality planning, quality control, and quality improvement. Quality planning begins by identifying customers, understanding their needs, and designing products, services, and processes capable of meeting those requirements. Quality control focuses on measuring performance, monitoring results, and ensuring conformance to established standards. Various tools such as Pareto analysis, control charts, flow charts, and cause and effect diagrams support this phase. Quality improvement seeks breakthrough performance gains through systematic problem solving and continuous enhancement of processes. Together, these three components create a structured cycle that embeds quality into organizational operations and supports long-term improvement initiatives. Management plays a critical role in the successful implementation of quality initiatives. Leaders must actively champion quality programs, establish strategic direction, allocate resources, and foster a culture that values continuous improvement. TQM cannot succeed without visible management commitment because cultural change requires sustained leadership support. Executives must communicate quality expectations, integrate quality objectives into organizational strategy, and ensure employees receive appropriate training and support. Management is also responsible for funding prevention activities that may not yield immediate financial returns, but create substantial long-term benefits. By reinforcing quality behaviors, monitoring progress, and participating in improvement efforts, leaders help transform quality from an initiative into a permanent organizational capability. Understanding quality costs is essential for evaluating the economic impact of quality initiatives. Quality costs include prevention costs, appraisal costs, internal failure costs, and external failure costs. Internal failure costs arise before products reach customers and include scrap, rework, retesting, downgrades, process losses, and inventory shrinkage. External failure costs occur after delivery and include warranty claims, product returns, recalls, liability expenses, complaint handling, and lost sales resulting from damaged reputation. These costs illustrate that poor quality creates significant operational and financial consequences. Effective quality management seeks to minimize failure costs by investing in preventive and appraisal activities that improve process capability and product conformance. Prevention and appraisal costs represent proactive investments designed to reduce defects and failures. Appraisal costs include inspections, testing, calibration, audits, and evaluations that verify conformance to requirements. Prevention costs focus on avoiding defects before they occur through activities such as quality planning, employee training, supplier certification, statistical process control, preventive maintenance, and continuous improvement projects. According to Huron's quality cost model, Increasing prevention and appraisal efforts generally reduces failure costs over time. Although prevention investments may initially increase total quality expenditures, they ultimately generate substantial savings by reducing waste, improving reliability, and lowering the overall cost of poor quality throughout the product lifecycle. Regulatory compliance is a critical aspect of quality planning and product management. Organizations must establish policies, procedures, operational controls, and enforcement mechanisms to ensure products and processes comply with applicable laws and regulations. Preventive investments such as compliance training, certifications, and process design help reduce regulatory risks. However, appraisal activities, including inspections and testing, remain necessary in many industries due to the serious consequences of noncompliance. Failure to meet regulatory requirements can result in fines, recalls, operational delays, legal liabilities, reputational damage, and costly redesign efforts. Therefore, quality management systems must incorporate compliance requirements throughout product development, manufacturing, and distribution processes. Customer and stakeholder feedback provide valuable information for improving quality planning, inventory management, and operational decision-making. Organizations gather quality-related feedback from customers, suppliers, distributors, service teams, and internal stakeholders to identify opportunities for improvement. Quality tools such as root cause analysis, Pareto analysis, fault tree analysis, control charts, and cause and effect diagrams help organizations investigate problems and determine their underlying causes. Root cause analysis follows a structured process of defining problems, identifying potential causes, prioritizing causes, and implementing corrective actions. By combining stakeholder feedback with analytical quality tools, organizations can reduce variability, improve process performance, strengthen customer satisfaction, and support continuous improvement across the entire supply chain.